Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another interesting video today. Today we will be learning how to increase Facebook post likes. Watch this video carefully and follow all the steps and mention all our questions in the comment section below. Let us start this trick by YouLikeUs. So YouLikeUs is the application from which we are going to perform this task, and I am going to provide this application link in the description. So you can download this application from the description itself. So for that, first you need to open this YouLikeUs app. So as you can see, I have already used my account over here in this app. That's why it's showing that login successfully. The name of the person whose FB account is this. So you need a fake FB account for this. So please follow this. You need a fake FB account for this. Don't use your personal or original FB account for this. Otherwise you can get into a trouble with your account. So please use a fake FB account for this. After getting a fake FB account, just sign up in this application. YouLikeUs. After getting sign up and sign in this application, you will see this kind of page in this application. So you need to from this application you can send likes or reactions to any post of FB. So for getting that, you need your own FB account or anyone's FB account. If anyone's FB account is there or your FB account is there, anyone. So on that post you can send likes or reactions. So I will show how to do that. So let's get started and follow me how I do. So just do as I do here. So I will simply minimize this app and I will go to the post. So you can see there are no likes, no comments, no share, no anything there. So we are going to increase the likes of this post. So we are simply going to copy this post, copy the link of this post. After copying the link of the post, you can see the post is public. If you can see the earth symbol over here, that means the post is public. So remember, you need to keep your post or your content public, otherwise you won't get the likes. So keep your content public, your post public. So after keeping it public, you need to go to the application of YouLikeUs. After going to the application of YouLikeUs, you can see custom link ID liker. So you just need to click on that. After clicking on that, it will take some time, and you can see we have got a new page over here. So it's showing that enter link or post ID. So we are going to simply enter the link over here. Okay, so after entering the link over here, we can select any reaction which we want to send the reaction on our post. So I will simply select the love reaction and I will simply fill the captcha. After filling the captcha, so if you need to fill the captcha, I am filling the captcha. You do the same as I do here. Simply verify it. After getting verified, we are simply click on submit button. So it will take some time to send the reaction on my post. Until then we need to wait for it. So we'll wait until then. So remember, you need to use a fake FB account to getting sign up in this YouLikeUs. And after getting sign up, you will automatically get sign in. Okay, so whatever the permission YouLikeUs will ask, just give permission to it. So you can see 58 likes has been delivered to our post. So now we will go to our post and we will check whether we have received 58 likes or not. So I am going to my post. So you can see 20 love symbols, 20 love reaction already we have been received, and you can see 58 love reaction we have received to our post. So you can see 58. So how speedy the work is this? So how speedy the work, you can see the how within seconds we have got 58 reaction on a post. So that is how you can get you can increase your likes, reactions, anything you want on any post. So that is how it gets done. So you have got it. So if you have any doubt, you can tell me on the comment box. This is how it's done. That's it guys. This is how you can increase likes on your post. I hope you guys got to learn something new today. Much more such interesting videos coming up soon. Make sure that you guys are subscribed and following us to stay notified about all upcoming videos. Also guys, join us on Telegram and Instagram. We post content daily there. Link is in the description. Do follow us on our social accounts. Okay, so thank you guys.